The next big thing that sets us apart is something called biomimetics. Bio meaning life and mimetics meaning mimic. And biomimetics is a new way of taking care of a tooth when it needs restorative work, like a filling or a cap. It needs porcelain bonded onto it. If there's anything like that the tooth might need to help restore it to full function, we do it in a biomimetic way. So if you Google that term and you look that up, you will find a lot of interesting research about how old dentistry might last 5 to 10 years. And think about it, that's when insurance will help you pay for it. And insurance is not trying to help pay for anything quicker than it has to. So if an insurance company is willing to pay for a new cap every 5 years or a new filling every 5 years, that's pretty much the life cycle that we are going to assume it's going to have. Yet in biomimetic dentistry, we now have the capabilities of making sure that your tooth lasts a really long time. Yes, it's possible that you have a cavity on the other side of the tooth. Yes, it's possible that maybe the biomimetic restoration that we do has a little chip in it. But what it really means, the essence of it, is that the materials that we use and the techniques that we use and the time that we take make it to where the new restoration that you get is not the same type that you have gotten in the past. It's not the normal filling or the normal cap. It's one that is a lot stronger and very well made, need very little maintenance for the rest of your life, which is an amazing thing.